Ever wondered how to dive into the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies without the complexities? Imagine a simple, user-friendly gateway that connects you to the vibrant ecosystem of the Solana blockchain. That's where Neon Wallet comes in. Neon Wallet is more than just a digital wallet, it's your passport to the exciting world of decentralized finance, DeFi, and decentralized applications, dApps, on the Solana blockchain. This innovative platform is designed to simplify your crypto journey, offering a seamless and secure experience for both seasoned crypto enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Key features of Neon Wallet. Intuitive interface. Neon Wallet boasts a sleek and intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate even for those new to crypto. Multi-chain support. While primarily focused on Solana, Neon Wallet is expanding its support to include other popular blockchains. Secure storage. Your digital assets are safeguarded by robust security measures, ensuring peace of mind. Fast and efficient transactions. Experience lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees on the Solana blockchain. Diverse ecosystem. Access a vast array of DeFi protocols, dApps, and NFT marketplaces built on Solana. Mobile-friendly. Manage your crypto assets on the go with the Neon Wallet mobile app. How to use Neon Wallet. Download and install. Begin by downloading the Neon Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create a wallet. Set up a new wallet by following the on-screen instructions. Fund your wallet. Deposit funds into your wallet using various methods, such as bank transfers or cryptocurrency exchanges. Explore the Solana ecosystem. Discover a wide range of DeFi protocols, dApps, and NFT marketplaces. Send and receive crypto. Easily transfer digital assets to other Neon Wallet users or external addresses. Why choose Neon Wallet? User-centric design. Neon Wallet prioritizes user experience, making it accessible to everyone. Security first. Your digital assets are protected by advanced security protocols. High performance. Benefit from the speed and efficiency of the Solana blockchain. Growing ecosystem. The Solana ecosystem is rapidly expanding, offering exciting opportunities. The future of Neon Wallet. Neon Wallet is constantly evolving to meet the needs of its growing user base. The team behind Neon Wallet is committed to delivering innovative features and improving the overall user experience. As the Solana blockchain continues to gain traction, Neon Wallet is poised to become a leading digital wallet solution. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just starting your journey, Neon Wallet is the perfect tool to explore the world of blockchain and decentralized finance. Its user-friendly interface, robust security, and access to a thriving ecosystem make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to embrace the future of finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.